Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of missed abortion with the duration of pregnancy is about 9 weeks. You can see the urinary bladder, uterus, and is a gestational sac is seen in the distal portion of the uterine cavity, having gestational sac, and a fetal pole is seen in its interior. This is the fetal pole, or this is uterus, and this is the cervix, and this is urinary bladder. You can again see the uterus having a single fetus. The two important findings that there is no fetal cardiac activity and there is no fetal blood flow seen inside the fetus. These are the indicative of the fetal demise. Missed abortion, although a variety of terms are used to describe early pregnancy failure, in the presence of clear-cut sonographic evidence that a non-living embryo is present, the term embryonic demise should apply. Ultrasound diagnosis of miscarriage should only be considered when either a mean gestational sac diameter is equal to or more than 25 millimeter with no obvious yolk sac, or a fetal pole with a crown rump length of equal to or more than 7 millimeter without any evidence of fetal cardiac activity. Transvaginal ultrasound is the mainstay in the diagnosis of miscarriage. Now you can see there was no fetal cardiac activity, and there is no blood flow is seen inside the fetus. A missed abortion is a non-viable intrauterine pregnancy that has been retained within the uterus without spontaneous abortion. Typically, no symptoms exist beside amenorrhea, and the patient finds out that pregnancy stopped developing earlier when a fetal heartbeat is not observed or heard at the appropriate time. An ultrasound usually confirms the diagnosis. In addition to the signs of the fetal life on sonography, subchorionic bleeding is an important factor affecting the outcome of gestations in patients with clinical threatened abortions. The most common cause of the first trimester spontaneous abortion is fetal chromosomal abnormalities. Well, most practitioners wait until at least 6 weeks to perform first ultrasound. A gestational sac can be seen as early as 4.5 weeks after the last periods. A heartbeat can be detected as early as 5 to 6 weeks, though it might not be detected at that early in all cases. A missed abortion is a missed miscarriage in which the fetus didn't form or fetal demise had occurred, but the placenta and embryonic tissues are still in the uterus. Now again you can see as there was no fetal cardiac activity, nor there was any blood flow seen inside the fetus. It is known more commonly as missed miscarriage. It is also sometimes called silent miscarriage. A missed abortion is not an elective abortion. So missed miscarriage means that the baby has stopped growing or there is fetal demise, but there are no miscarriage symptoms such as bleeding or pain. It can also be called a delayed miscarriage. Some women do not experience any symptoms of miscarriage at all. The others may have some symptoms, and these symptoms may include mild to severe cramps, pain in the back of the abdomen, loss of pregnancy symptoms such as nausea and vomiting, white pink mucus, passing tissue or clot-like material. To make the diagnosis with ultrasound, the findings may include but not limited to the absence of the fetal pole, lack of growth of fetal pole with no evident fetal cardiac activity, lack of yolk sac at the appropriate gestational age, D-shaped yolk sac or placental separation. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.